Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, PHARRAWAY. This video, guys, it's going to be a video update in regarding these clears, the video that I made. And I appreciate everybody seeing that video. There's been a lot of comments, and good and bad. It doesn't really matter. So okay guys, I'm not here to talk bad about any of the clears. All the clears are good. All the clears I have used, okay? And as a matter of fact, the Tamco clear, I have that on that candy paint job that I did. Also, I have the Tamco clear on my car, okay? But you saw the results, okay? You saw the results on the cups. Which ones cracked more, or which ones shrank more, okay? But a lot of people have been saying that I did the test wrong and all that. That's fine. That's their opinion. But I also did a spray out on all these clears. I also did a spray out, which I have outside. I'm not going to show it right now because I want that spray out for another video. That's one of the reasons. But I did do a spray out. Okay, guys. So I'm going to leave that video for a couple of months, maybe a year. I want to see how good these clears are. Okay, so that's it. That's about it. That's what I did. And so now for me, the clear that I'm going to be using now is going to be the Grand 7. You guys know that. I love that clear. I love the way it's sprayed, and it was a no buff required clear. So that's what I'm going to be using now. But all these clears, try them out for yourselves, guys. Okay, so all these clears I have used, and they're all good. Okay, the Glamour clear I have used in a lot of different cars. The Autobahn, which is the wet clear, and you all know about that clear. It's the same one, so you all know about that one. And yeah, that's it. But the one I'm aiming towards, it's gonna be the Grand 7 for me. Okay, so hey, that's about it, guys. That's about it. That's what I wanted to talk about. This is a very short video, midweek. So I hope you guys are enjoying these kind of videos. There's another video coming this weekend, guys, so don't worry about that. All right, so this is a midweek video, and let's see what's gonna happen with those panels that I did spray out for these. All right, guys, thank you. God bless, and enjoy the rest of the week.